Welcome to the Ivan's Art channel, where you will see some of the best spray paint art here on YouTube. If you like this video, be sure to give this video a like. If you want to keep up with my paintings, the best ways are to click the notification bell and to follow me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram page will be in the description. If you are interested in purchasing some of my artwork, go check out my website. The link to my website will also be in the description. Also, share this video with your friends and family. And one more thing, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Let's get painting, guys.
Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick lesson right here. So whenever you see something like this that's all screwed up, kind of like how I just did, where I lay down a cover up to kind of just make the bottom half of this painting, but then when I remove the cover, it kind of removes some of the paint like you saw earlier. There's two ways you can kind of fix that. You can just either A, fix it by trying to kind of redo it a little bit, but that'll take some time, or one of the easier ways is find another way, add something to your painting. So what I'm gonna do is throw in some palm trees. So right here, I'm gonna throw in a little tiny palm tree, just to cover it up. little secret. They will not notice that it was even here. See, and like that, then you don't even know, can't even tell that it was there in the first place. I kind of wish I would have made it a little bit higher, but it's all right.
Okay.